What's going on, folks? Welcome back. This is video number 2. I'm about to cut the floors out of the boat, tear the foam out, and just get it all cleaned up and see what's going on in there. So let's get to cutting. Probably don't have the optimal cutting tools to be doing this right now, but I am getting it done with what I got. So we're about I'd say about 45 minutes in. I'd say in the next 10-15 minutes we'll have the floor cut out and start prying the whole floor out of the boat. So let me get back to cutting and then we'll skip to ripping the floor out. I'm also dealing with a lot of wasps. They're trying to attack me right now, and it's kind of difficult to work. So, yeah, I got a little battle with them. We got the floor out, man. It was heavy and a lot of prying to do, but it's out. The foam looks nasty. Take a look at it real quick. There's the floor. All right, so it's day 2 of cutting the floors and pulling the foam out. Dragging out the trash can back here now to start putting the foam in it. So yeah, there's the floor. All right, so I got the boxes cut out, about to pull them out now, clean the rest of the foam out. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be the rest for this video, cutting the floors out and taking the foam. I'm thinking about closing the transom up. I've heard good things and bad things. Let me know if you guys know anything about that. So yeah, like and subscribe, stay tuned. There's gonna be more videos about every 2 weeks on this boat, and the progress it's going.